I smell a honky tonk flame too. You know what? That's just what everywhere smells like now. It smells like. I thought that. I remember what game days as a kid in Oakland, Raider game days smelled like, and then I went to a Dead show, and I'm like, oh, it smells like a Raiders game. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I was out of my mind the first time we met, feeling lonely and blue. I just moved to the country to get me some rest. The city put a hurting on you, especially a fella from Central Alameda without a penny or one to his name, wasting his life on a burning desire and chasing that honky-tonk crowd. You were soft on the eyes and heavy on the hearing, leaving me helpless alive. Get me to listen to the
'cause I sure love thunderstorms and neon signs. Well, I sure love thunderstorms and neon signs.
that I knew was a dime. Don't worry, honey, 'cause I knew that this time I was leaving alone. Leaving alone, leaving alone. Ain't I leaving alone? Don't you hear, baby, that it's packing and I'm gonna be gone. Well, you're here, baby, that it's packing and I'm gonna be gone. Well, you're here, baby, that it's packing and I'm gonna be gone. Thank you.
That was a medley.
How the medley
That's
from
a-
the medley of heck.
The first set medley of that. Well, here we have Nikki with the flower in her hair. She's painting faces. For all the kids that would like to have their face painted, Nikki's the best in the business. So
And we are
go down and see Nikki.
we're gonna take a break after this song, so now would be the perfect time for all you adults that want to have your faces painted to go over there too.
That was a disaster nearly averted.
What I missed it.
Our Giants fan almost took a touchdown.
Hey, all right. Hey, how are you doing, buddy?
He's excited about the second base situation, is what I think.
Oh yeah, give me the breakdown. A little hot stove.
We picked up Arias. He's a
What?
3-time batting champ. Is that right? 3 times? Yeah.
Well, that's interesting because the Giants certainly didn't need more offense.